Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you our latest new community on the Skool platform. This is our YouTube Creator Academy. If you follow the channel, we previously showed you our other community, which was Men's Health Premium, where we share plenty of information about body health, facelifting, maintaining the muscle, maintaining a diet, living to as long as possible, longevity lessons, so on and so forth. So with this new community, we're actually trying to help all the people that are messaging us from Instagram here on YouTube, who are trying to start their own YouTube channel. As you probably already follow this channel, we have plenty of success with different niches. So over here on this particular group, we are going to focus on any niche and any type of channel that people want to start. So currently we are already developing plenty of courses. If you look at the classroom, we already had the beginner's guide, how you should set up your own YouTube channel, how to pick the name based on the SEO current trends, how to optimize the current trends, and how you can actually benefit from the past search queries. We also break down the scripts, how you can gain your hands on the most viral scripts, how you can actually copy in a way in which you can get as much as inspiration, so you will be able to apply to your niche. Everything is with links, with information, with details, step by step, where you can easily follow. We had a very interesting course about creating your thumbnail, what kind of colors, how you can actually pick the right brightness, what is eye-catchy, how you can choose the different thumbnail sizes between the devices, so many different things. We last night we added the audience growth hacks, where you can essentially create a very strong community. You can transform the audience from real followers, where people will watch any type of content you publish because they simply trust you, they like you, and they always gonna choose your latest video over some other channel. So definitely guys, you wanna come over here, you wanna join the community. We have plenty of other important daily tips that apply to everyone in every position, even if you're just starting, even if you already have a couple of channels or couple of videos, but you still didn't get the results you're looking to get. As you can see over here, we have a full breakdown how to use vidIQ, the small tips and tricks that make the big difference in the keyword research, which will help you always to either rank for the long-term ratings and the long-term performance of the videos, or how you can actually identify the current trends and capitalize on the current trends with making videos that are important now. Also, we do have a list of do's and don'ts, things that you should do and you shouldn't do when you're starting your YouTube channel. There are things that a lot of people don't know, they overlook, they make the mistakes, they include them in their YouTube description or on the settings on their YouTube channel, and this prevents them from growing. They add links where YouTube doesn't like seeing links. They're essentially playing on the border of what is allowed by YouTube. So definitely you want to join the community, guys. You want to take a look here, and all this information will be available. As long as you join, it will be available. You don't have to take notes. You can simply open, start building YouTube channel, come back here, and just simply back and forth, do things step by step, and you will be able to set up your account appropriately. Also, we help you over here to pick the right YouTube channel name. This is crucial again for search engine optimization, and also YouTube groups the channels into different niches. So if your channel is with the wrong name, you're not gonna fall in the right group of people or channels where YouTube usually promotes. So then your videos, no matter how good they are, they will not be recommended to the right audience because you don't belong to this group of channels. So again, you definitely want to check this particular piece of content where we give you the most important stuff. Okay, this is not excessive 10-page document with 8 pages of nonsense. This is only the best part, the prime rip of information, where exactly you open it, you read it, and you start applying it right away. Also, we gave you this very interesting small segment of the group where we call it the road to monetization. So every single day we give you different steps that you should undertake, so you will be a step closer to finally monetizing your YouTube channel. So we have essentially keeping everyone responsible when they set their goals. If they said every single day I'm gonna publish one video, we want to make sure that people are checking back here on the community, and we're holding them accountable. We're checking, did they actually publish the video, and then we're going back and forth with the results. We're looking at the different metrics, the analytics, and we're trying to help them to improve. We definitely going to see what is the issue. We're definitely going to see when and how long people are actually engaging. We're going to see, are people clicking or skipping. There's so many different things that we can actually help you out, guys. We can identify what is the issue and how you can actually solve it and start getting paid from YouTube. That's the end goal for all of us. Also, guys, every single day we're publishing case studies from different successful YouTube channels. We're giving you a full breakdown how they change their strategy, how they start getting more views, and why they're getting paid more than the other people in the same industry, right? We're having Marcus Brownie, we're having Casey Neistat, we're having Mr. Beast. A lot of interesting stuff over here, guys. I'm telling you, once you decide to become a full-time YouTuber, once when you decide that you really want to change your career, right? Probably some of you dreamed to become a YouTuber, but you can't find the right information, you can't find the right motivation, right? There is no one actually to help you or to hold you accountable. Everything is here. This is the reason why we built this second community, right? We had the other community on the side, but we have to build something that is perfectly aligned for the people that are looking to get into. That's why we had to build this community. We kept building more and more information. We're running plenty of channels. Now you're on this channel, we have other channels, so definitely when you join, where you're joining, right? You're joining our community. We're not promoting someone else's community, so definitely you're pretty much aware what you're going to get. So I am going to pin the link from the community under this video, guys. I will be more than happy to see you joining, and let me know when you join the community. Send me a text and tell me that you come out from this particular video, and definitely I will reply to you back and I will welcome you to the community. Okay, guys?